This lesson is about factorising single brackets. We're just going to look at the basics to start off with. So I've got three examples here, one with just numbers, one with just letters, and one with both. So if we just take a look at the one with the numbers only first, so you can see we've got no x's in both. We've got an x on the left, we haven't got an x on the right, so we've got no letters to contend with, just the numbers. So we look for the highest number that goes into 12 and 18. So things that go into both would be 2 and 6. Now, of the two, obviously the 6 is the higher one, so we're going to use the 6. Otherwise, we'll have only factorised partially. So 6 goes on the outside of the bracket, and we ask ourselves, what would we have multiplied 6 by to get 12x? We need 2 and x. You can check that by multiplying them back out again. 6 times 2x would have given us the 12x, plus 6 times what would have given us 18, that's going to be 3. So there's our answer, 6 bracket 2x plus 3. Right, on the second one we have just the letter that's the same. So we can see we've got an x in both, but looking at the numbers, there is no number that goes into 3 and into 5. So we're just going to factorise for a letter this time. So x is in both, so x goes on the outside of the bracket. What would I multiply x by to get 5x squared? We need to multiply it by 5 to get the 5 and another x to get the x squared. So x times 5x would give us 5x squared. And what would I multiply x by to get 3x? That's going to be 3. So that's the answer to that one. Now this time we have got something that goes into both the letters and the numbers. So first of all, we can see that the highest number that goes into 3 and 12 would be 3, so that goes on the outside of the bracket. And we also see that we've gone A on both sides, so an A is also going outside the bracket with the 3. Open the bracket. What would I multiply 3A by to get 12AB? Do it one piece at a time. To get from the 3 to the 12, well, we need to times by 4. So that's where we get my 12 from, 3 times 4. And to get from A to AB, I need to multiply by B. So 3 times 4, 12, A times B, AB. Plus, and as you notice here, to get from 3A to 3A, we don't need anything. Well, we can't have 0 because 0 would change it to 0. If you multiply 3A by 0, you'd have 0, and we've got 3A. So the only way to keep the 3A is a 1. So if you multiply 3A by 1, I get the 3A. You can always check it by multiplying it back out again.